If you're using traditional laundry detergent, you're probably exposing your body to many different harmful ingredients, either through inhalation or getting absorbed through your skin into your body, especially if you sweat in your clothes. So I recommend making your own homemade, safer laundry detergent. That's what I do. There's plenty of recipes online and on Pinterest. There's powders, liquids. I'm going to show you my favorite homemade laundry powder today, and I'll tell you why. This one's really easy. A lot of recipes will have you grating bars of soap, which is kind of a frustrating, not so easy process. I also question if it dissolves very well in the laundry, especially with cold water. And a lot of recipes will tell you to mix everything in a food processor, and then I see this soap dust going everywhere. So this one is very easy. Usually you have the ingredients on hand, and I just mix it up by hand in a bowl. So I start with 1.5 cups of baking soda, 1.5 cups of super washing soda, a 1/2 cup of Epsom salt, a 1/4 cup of sea salt. Mix that in real well, and then lastly I add 20 to 25 drops of my favorite essential oil. I used a mixture of half lavender and eucalyptus, but citrus works great. You can use whatever you like. And then I store it in a glass jar since there's essential oils in it. I love to tape my recipe on the front because you will forget how you made it. And then you use a heaping tablespoon per load. Easy. It's super easy, super safe and natural, and super affordable. Research shows that clicking the thumbs up and subscribe button will make fingers healthy and strong, and besides, it's free.